Universal Home Renovations did a wonderful job with our backyard and patio project, and we're really happy with how it turned out. We had an old deck and garden area which needed to be replaced, but it took me a couple of years to find a contractor that I liked and trusted. I happened to go to a friend's house, and her outdoor living space was just gorgeous. Far and away the nicest backyard I had ever seen. And that's how I got connected with Russ at Universal Home Renovations. He had done her project, and I found out that he had done beautiful work for 3 of my coworkers actually, and I knew that he was the right fit for us. Russ and his team demolished our old structures, they leveled our land for proper drainage, and then they built a covered deck with a beautiful lighting area, a paverstone patio, a raised garden bed with irrigation, and they installed a hot tub too. We love how everything turned out. And we actually decided to hire Russ for more projects now, like painting the outside of our house and some inside projects as well. Russ has excellent attention to detail, very high standards. The quality of his work is just incredible. Russ was great with communication, always responding quickly to our phone calls, text messages, and emails. I have to add that I was brand new to home renovations, and I asked a lot of novice questions, and Russ was always so pleasant and kind and patient and never made me feel like my questions were silly. He understood what was important to me and was good at listening. He has a lot of experience, so I really appreciated his guidance with making some decisions. He helped us anticipate things that we would not have thought of on our own. I trust his opinion and the work that he does. My family and I are very grateful to Russ and his team for giving us this beautiful outdoor living space where we can relax and make some good memories. Thank you.